students, in this video we are going to learn one application of scalar triple product. Volume of a parallelepiped. Volume of a parallelepiped with coterminous edges a bar, b bar, c bar is given by scalar triple product a bar, b bar, c bar. So proof is omitted this year, so we are not going to study the proof, but we are going to solve examples based on this application. So here a parallelepiped is drawn with OA, OB and OC as coterminous edges. So we have to remember that if coterminous edges are given, then volume is a scalar triple product A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay. Similarly, the second application is volume of a tetrahedron. I think it is corollary of the first application. So proof is similar, but again proof is omitted, and we are going to solve the examples. So first of all, let's study the result. The result says that volume of a tetrahedron with coterminous edges a bar, b bar, c bar is 1 by 6 scalar triple product a bar, b bar, c bar. So to find volume of a parallelepiped, we have to take the scalar triple product, and to find volume of a tetrahedron, we have to multiply the scalar triple product by 1 by 6. Okay. Now let's solve some examples based on this application. The question given is find the volume of the parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are, so those are given. So let's take those coterminous edges as a bar, b bar and c bar. So let a bar is equal to 3i cap plus 5k cap. Then b bar equals to 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. C bar equal to 3i cap plus j cap plus 4k cap. First let's find out the scalar triple product and then we will write the volume. Scalar triple product a bar, b bar, c bar is a determinant. Determinant and first row is coefficients of ijk from a bar, second is coefficients of ijk from b bar, and third row is coefficients of ijk from c bar. So first row is 3. Now term in a is not here, so coefficient is 0, 3, 0, 5. For b bar we have 4, 2 minus 3, and c bar is 3, 1, 4. Now let's expand this and let's find out the value. So expanding this, we have 3 multiplied by 8 minus plus 3. As the term here is 0, so we don't have the second term, so it is minus 0. The next one is plus 5. Then we have 4 minus 6. So simplifying this, we have 3 multiplied by 11, 5 multiplied by minus 2. So it is 33 minus 10. So that is 23. Now let's write that volume of parallelepiped equals to scalar triple product a bar, b bar, c bar, and it is 23, and since it is volume, we have to write cubic units. So volume is 23 cubic units. The next question is find the volume of the parallelepiped with coterminous edges j cap plus k cap, I cap plus k cap and I cap plus j cap. Also find the volume of the tetrahedron having these coterminous edges. So let's denote these three vectors as a bar, b bar and c bar. So a bar is j cap plus k cap, b bar is I cap plus k cap and c bar is I cap plus j cap. Now first of all, let's find out the scalar triple product, and then we will write the volume of the parallelepiped as well as volume of tetrahedron. So scalar triple product a bar, b bar, c bar is determinant. Now coefficients of ijk from a bar, term in I cap is not there, so it is 0. Coefficient of j cap is 1, coefficient of k cap is 1. For the next one, for b bar, it is 1, 0, 1. And for c bar we have 1, 1, 0. Now expanding the determinant, as here we have 0, so the first term is 0. Then we have minus 1, 0 minus 1. Next one is plus 1, 1 minus 0. So that becomes minus minus plus 1, and this is also plus 1, so it is 2. So by the application or by the result, it is a volume of the parallelepiped equal to scalar triple product A bar B bar C bar, and the scalar triple product is 2. So value of the scalar triple product is 2, so volume of the parallelepiped is 2 cubic units, and volume of the tetrahedron, the corresponding tetrahedron is 1 by 6 scalar triple product A bar B bar C bar. Volume of tetrahedron equal to 1 by 6 multiplied by scalar triple product A bar B bar C bar. So it is 1 by 6 into 2, so that is 1 by 3 cubic units. It's really very simple. Just we have to find out the scalar triple product, and if it is parallelepiped, then we have to write the scalar triple product, and if it is tetrahedron, we have to multiply by 1 by 6. Now sometimes they may not give us the directly A bar, B bar and C bar. We have to find out the coterminous edges. So in this question, the vertices are given. Vertices of a tetrahedron are given, and we have to find out the volume. So the coterminous edges are AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. You can take any point common. You can take BA bar, BC bar, BD bar also, CA bar, CB bar, CD bar, or DA bar, DB bar, DC bar. Any set of these vectors will do. So let's take A as common point. So first of all, let's find out AB bar. So AB bar is B bar minus A bar. Now point B is 3 minus 2, 1. Then minus A is minus 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's write the difference here. So it is 3 minus minus 1. That becomes 3 plus 1, which is 4. Next one is minus 2 minus 2. So that is minus 4. And 1 minus 3. So minus 2. So it is 4 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 2 k cap. Then AC bar. AC bar is C bar minus A bar. Now point C is 2, 1, 3. Minus A, that is minus 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 minus minus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3. 1 minus 2 gives us minus 1. 3 minus 3, that is 0. Next is AD bar, D bar minus A bar. Now point D is minus 1, minus 2, 4. Minus 1, 2, 3. So minus 1, both the numbers are same. So the difference is 0. Next one is minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So first let's find out the scalar triple product, and then we will write the volume. So scalar triple product AB bar, AC bar, AD bar equals to determinant. For AB bar we have 4 minus 4 minus 2. 4 minus 4 minus 2. Then we have AC bar 3 minus 1 0. AD bar, that is 0 minus 4 1. So simplifying this, we have 4, then minus 1 minus 0. Then we have plus 4. It is 3 minus 0 minus 2 multiplied by minus 12 minus 0. So it is 4 into minus 1, minus 4. 4 into 3, that is 12. And minus 2 into minus 12, that is plus 24. Now 12 minus 4 is 8, and adding 8 to 24 we get 32. Okay, now let's write the result first, and then we will substitute the value. So volume of tetrahedron is asked. So for tetrahedron it is 1 by 6 scalar triple product. 1 by 6. Now the coterminous edges are AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. Substituting the value, it is 1 by 6 into 32. We can divide by 2. So it is 3 here and 16. 16 upon 3 cubic units. So instead of giving A bar, B bar, C bar directly now, the vertices are given. So first of all, we have to find out the coterminous edges, and applying the result, we can find the volume of tetrahedron. So this is your today's assignment. Find the volume of the parallelepiped with coterminous edges I cap minus j cap plus k cap, I cap plus j cap minus k cap, and I cap minus j cap minus k cap. Also find the volume of the tetrahedron having these vectors as coterminous edges. So denote the vectors as A bar, B bar, C bar. Find the scalar triple product. Volume of the parallelepiped is the scalar triple product, and for tetrahedron we have to multiply this value by 1 by 6, and remember to write the cubic units. Now next question is, the vertices of a tetrahedron are given and you have to find the volume. So find AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. You can take any point common, find the scalar triple product, and if the scalar triple product, it may be negative also, and if it comes negative, make it positive and multiply by 1 by 6. As it is determinant, it may be negative also, because if AB bar, AC bar and AD bar is not a right-handed triplet, then we get negative value. So if it comes negative, make it positive and multiply by 1 by 6, and remember to write cubic units. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.